Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the Backstage View appeared when saving Excel workbooks using shortcuts. This can streamline your workflow by skipping an extra step. Let's get started. First, open your Excel application. Once it's open, we'll create a new workbook for this demonstration. Let's create a new workbook. As you can see, this new workbook hasn't been saved yet. Normally, to save a workbook for the first time, you need to go to the Save As Options dialog box. However, this isn't accessible directly without going through the Backstage View of Excel. Let me show you what I mean. I'll click the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar and use the shortcut Ctrl+S. As you can see, both actions take us to the Backstage View. While useful, this extra step can be streamlined. To save time and skip this additional step, we can change the settings to access the Save As Options dialog box directly. To do this, go to File, then More, and select Options. In the Excel Options window, click on the Save tab. Under the Save options, check the box that says, Don't show the backstage when opening or saving files with keyboard shortcuts. Once you've checked the box, click OK to save the changes. Now, let's verify the settings. I'll click the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar and use Ctrl+S again. As you can see, it now takes us directly to the Save As Options dialog box, skipping the Backstage View. And there you have it. Disabling the Backstage View when saving with shortcuts can save you time and make your workflow more efficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more Excel tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor.